Hey, this is Rick, and welcome back to Sky Dogs, Part 2 of the NBAA-BACE 2025. We'll start with the Cirrus Vision Jet that changed how people step into jet ownership, then is DAR. The TBM, designed for speed, range, and efficiency. Can't forget their Kodiak. It's built to go where paved runways end. Then is Beechcraft, introducing their newest business jet, combining heritage with modern performance. And at the very top, the Boeing Business Jet, a jet built to cross oceans. What sets NBAA-BACE apart is its access. It isn't about airshow flybys or crowd barriers. It's about getting close and asking questions and seeing what these aircraft can really do. This is business aviation at its best. I'm Rick Rizzo, this is Sky Dogs. Sit back and enjoy Part 2.
Tell me a little bit about what you do with this company.
Yeah, so I've been with Cirrus for about 5 years. I'm currently the sales engineer on the Vision Jet. My focus is like looking at emerging markets for where we can place the Vision Jet. I work on the product development side.
Great. And how about a little information about the aircraft itself?
So Vision Jet, we've designed it as an owner, primarily as an owner flown, but we're seeing an emerging market within the kind of the commercial style operation. So this right here is the G2 Plus. This is brand new, just cruises at 31,000 feet, about 310 knots true, going about 1,000 miles, 296 gallons of gas, and that's what you're getting. I kind of like to break it up. I think about 1,600. So if I want to go 800 miles, I can carry about 800 pounds of people and baggage.
Pretty good. You said the legs on this thing is about 1,000 miles?
Yeah, the marketing I think you'll see is about 1,200, but most of the time, like if you got a full bag of gas, you're probably able to go about 1,000 nautical miles.
Great. And out of curiosity, what's a price tag on a jet?
Price tag on this one, you're going to be looking about mid threes, about 3.5.
Wow. She is beautiful and she's very comfortable inside, and it's a single pilot flyer, right?
It is, absolutely. It's got the Garmin Perspective Plus Touch. Very simple to operate with an auto throttle. Makes flying it super easy.
Great. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, absolutely.
Daher Aircraft is a division of Daher, a French-run multi-business company involved in aircraft manufacturing, logistics, services, and industry, including large aerostructures that are built here in the U.S. at Stuart, Florida. For Daher Aircraft, we're here at the NBAA-BACE show. It's an important show for us in terms of meeting with our customers and operators for the two aircraft that we build. The turboprop powered airplanes are the Kodiak and the TBM. We like to say the Kodiak goes everywhere and the TBM goes fast. These are two aircraft that are for the general aviation market. A lot are acquired by owners, operators, businessmen and women who use the airplane for their personal use. The Kodiak was designed for humanitarian work, missionary work. It is designed to go literally almost anywhere. It can be on floats, it goes into backcountry strips, The TBM is more of the race car of the product line. It's a turboprop powered airplane of an airspeed of about 330 knots, and it is also owned by owners and operators and certain businesses. So coming to a show like NBAA-BACE gives us a chance to show our latest aircraft versions here, meet with the industry, and also with our suppliers. Both airplanes are always a draw. They have what we call great ramp appeal. The Kodiak is something that, for example, is used in fire service to help direct airplanes onto fire sites. It's used to carry equipment into the backcountry. Again, missionary work in some far-flung corners of the world. The TBM, a very fast airplane that is used for a lot of personal and business travel. Another of the announcements here at NBAA was focus on the Kodiak. Daher Aircraft has worked with the U.S. Forest Service to help provide airlift into a lot of backcountry fields. I think a lot of Americans don't understand that there are Forest Service ranger stations, but backcountry strips that are also used for recreation, where you can only fly in, as one of our pilots say, the only wheels on there are either mule driven or attached to an airplane. So on regular occasions, we work with the RAF, the Recreation Aviation Foundation, in providing support missions for the U.S. Forest Service, bringing in equipment, survey crews that help the rangers keep their ranger stations up to date. We've helped them rebuild some back structures that were burned in fires. So we just had a mission a couple of weeks ago where one of our pilots flew a group of RAF and U.S. Forest Service contractors into these backcountry fields to do kind of an end of season review, because of course with the snow, these facilities, these backcountry strips get closed for the winter. It was a great time to take a look at their status before they shut down for the winter. We brought in some metal fire pits for the U.S. Forest Service so that the forest rangers can use, but also campers come in and don't set up fires outside of an area and create a fire themselves. So these are the kinds of commitment we use. We always say that Daher cares for those who care for aviation, and this kind of mission with the Kodiak, which is this perfect backcountry airplane, really shows that we're committed to supporting the industry from business all the way through recreation and U.S. government work.
I'm Earl Boyder of Kodiak Multi-Missions. Together, Paul Corelli and I handle the program for Daher. Behind me is the Kodiak 900. This is the newest entry into the Kodiak line. It's got about 4 extra feet and a little larger engine. It cruises at 210 knots. It can take off and climb to 18,000 feet and ride at 12 minutes. It's just a very versatile aircraft, good for landing on hard runways or rough fields and so forth. We've had a lot of organizations ask for remote camera mounts for the 900. This is the first one we've had. It's the Outlook rollback done by Outlook Aero. It is very easy to install. In about 3 to 4 hours you can put it in place. It's completely covert installation, so no one would know on the ground that it's there, but yet it gives you the flexibility and the ability to sprint to your mission, deploy, and can loiter for 6, 7, even up to 8 hours, sprint back home. So now with the Outlook Aero rollback, we have 2 solutions for remote camera mounts for the Kodiak, both the 100 and the 900. These are excellent integrated solutions to help keep your community safe.
So here at the NBAA show, we're exhibiting an aircraft by one of our local owners, Nick Sacco. The aircraft is very distinctive. It's painted in black matte color. His card is black. His airplanes are black. His car, he says, is black. He loves that color. He has 3 of our Kodiak 100s and 1 of the top-of-the-line TBM 960s. Uses for personal travel, also developing a business, charter business. 2 different markets by a airplane that shares a lot of commonality between the turboprop engine, the avionics, and so he expects to further develop his business. He's located here in the Las Vegas area and finds both airplanes very cool for their specific application. Going to the backcountry, fishing, kind of off-grid with the Kodiaks, and carrying people in comfort and with speed for the 960. So it's a good example of the kind of customers that Daher Aircraft has. Some own the TBMs, some own the Kodiaks, and some of them, like this Nick Sacco, uses both airplanes, complementary aircraft for different missions. The Kodiak has a very interesting backstory. It was created literally on the back of an envelope by a gentleman who wanted to help missionary and humanitarian workers to go back into areas removed to respond to disasters, to support tribes far removed from the public. And so he came up with this airplane called the Kodiak. The Kodiak 100 can work on wheels like a regular airplane. It can be easily converted to be used on float, so it's on water and on land.
Okay, Brett, hi. Love your booth. Like to learn a little bit more about what you're doing.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm part of CAPS Aviation. We have kind of three different areas that we focus on. Number one, we're a Part 145 repair station for life rafts and emergency equipment. So recertification for life rafts, sales and rentals for that sort of thing. We do tool calibration. And then my part of the company is crew member emergency procedures training. So FAR Part 135, 331, emergency procedures training for air crew, pilots, cabin attendants, and executives. So Part 91 counts as well. So we do a lot of different kinds of air crew regular training that comes up.
Well, that was NBAA-BACE 2025 right here in Las Vegas. That gave us access to some incredible aircraft. From the Cirrus Vision Jet to Dyar's TBM and the Kodiak, Beechcraft's newest business jet, and of course the Boeing Business Jet. No, I didn't get a ride on her. Maybe next time. If you enjoyed a look inside business aviation, hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. More aircraft, more access, and more behind the scenes is coming up. Thanks for watching Sky Dogs.